Imagine a world where transportation is effortless, where your car drives itself, freeing you from the chaos of traffic. Tesla's Cybercab changes everything. You simply step in, input your destination, and let AI do the rest. Commutes become stress-free, and time lost in traffic becomes time reclaimed. Logistics evolve too. With robo-vans, delivery systems run seamlessly. Goods move across cities without human intervention, fast, efficient, and fully electric. Tesla's Optimus robot, a game changer. It takes over routine tasks, assembling, lifting, even household chores, leaving you more time to focus on what truly matters. The world is transformed. Energy is cleaner, life is smarter, and our future is more connected than ever. This isn't a dream, it's the Tesla revolution.